Here is how to share TikTok videos from other users on your own TikTok account. So first, go ahead and launch your TikTok application and log into your specific account. Let's say you want to share someone else's video. Maybe you find it relatable or you think that your followers would enjoy it. So we'll walk you through the different ways to do this. To begin, find the TikTok video that you want to share. I've already found one while scrolling, but you can also search for one. Then tap on the arrow icon on the right hand side of the screen. And below the bookmark icon, this opens the Send To menu. The first option on the left is to repost. If you choose this, your video will be reposted and your followers will see it. It will also appear in the repost sections of your profile. Alternatively, if you tap on the arrow again, you can select Add to Story to post it on your story. Or you can also go ahead and download this video and share it with people in messages or wherever you prefer. There is also the option of copy link. You can copy the link and share it among your friends or whoever you want. And you can also share directly to other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram messages, Snapchat, Viber, Twitter, and Facebook alternatively. So choose a method that works best for you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.